I think one of the primary concerns with connecting to the public internet from any device, whether it be an IoT device or from an enterprise building, is that you have very little control over the path from source to destination. So the risk of your packets being intercepted is high, and the fact that you're exposing yourself to a very large attack surface. If anybody who's spent any time on the internet knows that it's not a very particularly safe place. And that's why we think it's important that we give the enterprise IoT consumers the ability to connect privately and securely using our private network. We've found that our platform is value to two really important users or consumers of connectivity. First are mobile network operators. So mobile network operators providing connectivity to the end device through their radio access network are looking for the ability to connect that mobile device, often a SIM card in an IoT device, through to where the traffic or the capability of the IoT device is going to be taken. And often nowadays, that's to a hyperscaler like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft Azure. And so the Console Connect platform allows us to connect an IoT device through to from that SIM card through to a cloud provider. And the other case that we see, so value to mobile operators, is also to the cloud provider. We all know about the big brands, but there's also an emerging niche providers of cloud capabilities such as Volta, Wasabi, StackPath, and others. And we have them on our platform because we give them that direct connect-like capability as well. So the ecosystem is a benefit both to mobile network operators, but also to cloud providers. To connect to the cloud requires both network automation and software automation. If you pause for a moment and think about what's involved in orchestrating the end-to-end connectivity from a device through a private network to a cloud provider, there's network automation that needs to happen from that end device through to the edge to of the cloud provider. And then you need to be able to authenticate that connection into the cloud provider. What we've done with Edge SIM is provide a single pane of glass, which allows the user to manage the SIM card and also connect that SIM card through to their private virtual cloud environment. And you can't do that without a platform like ours. Security is incredibly important to our customers and to our partners, and that's one of the reasons why we've chosen to have our platform ISO 27001 certified, to give our customers and partners an assurance that the way that we build and operate our platform and our API is certified by an external party. The second thing that we think is really important is also giving a form of connectivity that is not the public internet. So ETSI, the European Telecommunications Standard Institute, has published a paper advocating that IoT devices probably should not be connected to the internet, given the security vulnerability that exposure to the internet provides or creates for people. And so we give a private connection alternative for IoT devices.